Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2015 INFINITI QX80 that we have for sale. This one was a trade-in, one owner clean Carfax. We do a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. If you're in the market for a full-size luxury SUV, the QX80 is a great choice. We have the original build sheet on it. When this was new, it was $72,165. Some of the big ticket features include the driver's assistance package. That was a $2,100 option, giving you blind spot warning, backup collision intervention. The way that works is if a vehicle is going to cross your path, or maybe a pedestrian is going to walk behind you while you're backing up, it will automatically hit the brakes. It also has a forward emergency braking, predictive forward collision warning. It has a theater package, which was a $2,400 option, giving you dual 7-inch color monitors, heated second row seats, and remote tip-up second row seats for easy third row entry exit. Also has the 22-inch wheel and tire package. That was a $2,450 option, and I can tell you the QX80s look really nice with those 22-inch wheels. They come stock with 20-inch wheels, which look okay, but those 22s really do a nice job filling up that wheel gap, and it just really makes the look of the QX80. So if I was going to buy one of these things, I definitely would want it with those 22-inch wheels. Serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. Who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store like us? Our techs work on these things on a daily basis and are very familiar with them. Other features include beautiful wood trim. This has a 7-speed automatic transmission, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, multi-zone climate control. Obviously it's going to have navigation, rear parking camera, 360-degree around view monitor, front and rear parking sensors. You can also change views, Bose sound system, 61,874 miles at the time of making this video. This particular QX80 is a rear-wheel drive model. You can either get it with rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. Why would rear-wheel drive be better for you? Well, if you live in the Puget Sound area, we don't really get that much snow, so most people will do just fine with rear-wheel drive. I've been living here for about 14 years, and I've had front-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive vehicles over the years. I've probably had 7 or 8 different cars over the past 14 years I've been out here, and I've never really had any issues of getting stuck where I really needed four-wheel drive. Obviously, if you drive over the snowy winter passes, you might want to do some off-roading, things like that. Okay, then in that case, you might want to have four-wheel drive, but a two-wheel drive QX80 is going to be less money than a comparable four-wheel drive model. It's going to get a little bit better gas mileage since you're not going to have the drag of a four-wheel drive system, and it's going to be a little bit lower maintenance, so you don't have to worry about servicing a four-wheel drive system. Sometimes four-wheel drive systems can be expensive to service. Usually you have to service them like every 60 to 90,000 miles. If you're towing a lot, then they recommend you service the four-wheel drive system every 30,000 miles, and that sometimes can be $800 or $1,000 to do a four-wheel drive service. Of course, this has the rear entertainment system, rear climate control, heated outbound second row seats, a nice center console in the middle with the captain's chairs, making it very comfortable, lots of storage. Infiniti all-season floor mats. Third row seat space is pretty good for a large vehicle like this. You'd expect it to be. Third row seats have a power folding feature. You also have buttons up there so the third row seat passengers can power or recline their rear seats. You have a little bit extra storage under there. Power lift gate. Tow hitch. When properly equipped, the QX80 can tow about 8,500 pounds. You really can't beat the durability of a body-on-frame sport utility vehicle. A lot of sport utility vehicles these days are car-based crossovers, so they're built on unibody car-based architecture, which is good for improving gas mileage and giving it a car-like feel. But again, when it comes to towing and hauling, you can't beat the durability and ruggedness of truck-based body-on-frame architecture like the QX80 is built on. This QX80 is built in Japan. If you do value Japanese build quality, the QX80 delivers. Not all Japanese brands are built in Japan these days, but the QX80 is the real deal. It's based off the Nissan Patrol global platform. The Nissan Patrol is kind of like Nissan's version of the Toyota Land Cruiser. Very reliable. 400 horsepower, 5.6 liter direct injection V8 provides lots of power. And this one is backed by a 5-day, 100% money back guarantee. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.